Recently, an analysis of years of information from the Gartner Group discovered that the most important role in predicting the success of an organization is the frontline manager or supervisor, your new leaders, the people that are in their first leadership role. A separate study in the last 2 years or so determined a couple of interesting related facts. The first one is the percentage of new leaders that felt prepared for the job is less than half. 44% of our new leaders don't feel ready for that role that they're taking on. And even 2 years into the job, more than half, about 52%, haven't received any training at all. No seminars, not even any coaching or mentorship. The most important role in predicting the success of our organization, and we're ignoring more than half of them. I can relate to this at a very personal level. I started my first manager role at an unbelievably young age of just 16. As you can imagine, that turned out just about the way you might expect when a 16-year-old is leading 25, 35, 40-year-olds. Not well. Now, I had earned that job. I had the job that I had earned, but it was not the job I was prepared for. And worse, no one above me, none of my leaders, showed the leadership to allow me to succeed. I was set up for disaster, shoved off the cliff, and nobody bothered to throw me a rope. I ask you, is this your organization? Is this what you're doing? Are you wanting your organization to be one that's succeeding? If so, you need to be investing in those new leaders.